In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send a message to a seller on Etsy. First, log in to your Etsy account from your browser. Next, go to the listing or shop of the seller you want to contact. To do this, you can start by searching the item you want to purchase. For example, let's say I'm looking for shoes. So I'll go to the search bar and type shoes and hit search. Then from the search results, look for the one you like and click on it. Then scroll down to where it says Meet Your Sellers. Click on Message Seller button, usually located near the seller's name or shop profile. A message window will open. Type your message clearly, including any questions or details about the item. Once your message is ready, you can click Send to deliver it to the seller. You can check your messages anytime by clicking on the Messages icon at the top of your Etsy account. And that's it. You successfully sent a message to a seller on Etsy. Thanks for watching.